Inside the too tall Toby practice model 250706, there is an interesting cosmetic problem where the rib merges with the rest of the body, creating a split surface. Let's see how this can be solved in Onshape. Let's make the first sketch. Click on the right plane, then press Shift plus S for sketch and then N for normal to sketch plane. Press L and Q to draw a center line. Press Escape, then L for line. Draw a sketch for the revolving body, taking into account the clearly known dimensions. Finish the drawing by closing the outline. Press D for the dimension tool. Set the remaining dimensions according to the sketch. Press B for the parallel constraint. Press S and select a 3-point arch. Draw the rib profile, set the dimensions. Press Escape, click on Sketch Region and press Shift plus W for Revolve. Press Tab, then click on Centerline. Confirm Revolve. Click on Sketch 1 Eyeball to make the sketch visible. Select the rib profile line, then Rib tool. Select Parts box. Click on Revolved Body. Set the rib width 16 millimeters. Confirm. Zooming in shows two small surfaces that don't merge with the rest of the upper surface of the rib. There are several ways to get rid of them. Let's look at two of them. The first method is at the feature level, which Toby already showed on the live broadcast. Let's select the Delete Face command. Make sure that the heel option is checked. Select both unnecessary surfaces and confirm the Delete Face command. The task is completed. The second option can be implemented much earlier at the sketch level. So let's return to it. With the rollback bar, we will leave only the first sketch active. Double-clicking on the sketch activates its editing mode. Let's zoom in to the desired region. To extend this rib profile line, select the Extend command hotkey X, select the line to be extended, and then the line to which it should be extended. Confirm the sketch and select two sketch regions for revolving. Then repeat the revolve and rib commands performed previously. As you can see in the zoom, no extra surfaces are created. Thanks for watching.